got yours and I have mine. In heaven, everything is fine. In heaven, everything is fine. In heaven, everything is fine. You got yours and I got mine. What the hell is this? Yeah, in case you don't know, this is based on the lady in the Radiator from Eraserhead. That's why it's got very puffy cheeks. I showed that to a movie to a friend, and his response was like, wow, I feel like I'm on drugs even though I haven't taken any. I don't know if I'll ever use this for anything. I mean, I don't have a sock body for it like with the alligator. Yeah, I made this like, shoot, a year or two ago? I've got pictures of it somewhere on Twitter. Or I'm sorry, X. Oh, you look so sexy, GuineaPigDan. Oh no. Mwah. Oh!